Hey NailTubers, what is up Nailification Squad? I decided to give BEETLES Gel Polish a try. I think the boxing is so cute and everything you need to know is right here on the box, which is pretty cool. It's low odor, 9 toxin free, meaning it's free of 9 potentially harmful chemicals, and if you'd like to know, there'll be a list of the most commonly claimed in my description box, which will be important if you have allergies. It's safe for skin and it's natural resin. Here are some using tips, product safety information, and then there's directions, warning, storage, and ingredients. But not only this, you still have the specific instructions inside. And here's just a little more ASMR. I found out that many of you find it satisfying. Back some time ago, months ago, I was saying that I had things to unbox. Well, this was one of them, so I've had them for a while, and I'm really happy to be finally doing this today. So here's one of the sets. They only come numbered, which I made sure you can see. And I've already done the swatching of 2 coats for you to visualize the beautiful end result. These selections were from the Perfect 6 gel polish kits, and there were several of them to choose from. When I recently checked, I saw that there are different, possibly newer color combinations, and I just might have to get them too. BEETLES Gel Polish is budget friendly. I purchased them on Amazon for $13.99 each for the set of 6 colors. This next collection is my favorite. The colors are much more vibrant than you're seeing, and unfortunately the camera isn't doing them any justice. Number 879, the yellow was closer to a jelly-like polish. I actually like its appearance as is, but depending on your preference, you might require a 3rd coat or background base. It's really too bad because these colors are so bright and so pretty. More than likely, this is the set that will get more use from me. These bottles are 7.3 milliliter or 25 fluid ounces and are a very fair size for the price. This is from the Yellow Gold collection, and the only reason I remember this is because I purchased it after seeing past BEETLES reviews, then got the others. It was from their fall collection, so that indicates about how long I've had these. But as I always say, I use whatever colors anytime. Have you seen any favorites so far? Oh, and real quick, let me point this mistake out right here. I accidentally transposed the colors on these last 2, but you guys get the gist of what's going on here, right? I do like the convenient color labels. I think everyone does. They're not that far off from the actual color inside the bottle, only about a shade darker. Now, though not all the colors are 1 coat coverage, for instance, the lighter pastels and the jelly-like polish, you saw how evenly they came out in the final swatches. Also, though my preference is a longer brush, they do polish very smooth and are easy to work with. So overall, I like these BEETLES polishes and feel they were much worth the price. Congratulations, DG! I'd like to thank you for your continued support ever since you've been on this channel. You are always very encouraging and I truly appreciate you. Be sure to reach out to me on Instagram. There'll be more random giveaways for everyone to have a chance, and it's also a way for me to express my thanks to you. I hope you enjoyed this, and if you haven't already, consider subscribing to my channel, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Much love.